In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and select Google Password Manager. Now to edit any password, click on it, enter your screen lock and use Edit button. Then change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!